Hi everyone, this is Julia Latto. We're having a massive thunderstorm tonight, and I just wanted to see if I can catch some of it on video so I could show you what we've been going through for almost 3 weeks. So I'm just going to be quiet for a minute and let you watch. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end this so I don't end up getting struck by lightning, but I just wanted to share with you, and you guys have a wonderfully Christ-centered week and weekend to come, and take care. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye. God bless.